House prices took a major plunge last month, the biggest year-over-year drop on record. But is the market all doom and gloom? Some experts say things are looking up.
If you look at the February 2023 numbers and compare them back to February of 2022, it's really apples and oranges in the sense that February 2022 is the last month before the Bank of Canada started its current rate tightening cycle.
The price of homes in the GTA fell almost 18% in the month of February compared to the same time last year. That's according to the latest numbers from the Toronto Region Real Estate Board. But TREB's chief market analyst says if you compare month to month, prices are 5% higher now than they were in January.
We saw that initial impact. Prices dropped in order to mitigate the impact of higher borrowing costs. But now we've reached sort of a new period where we're starting to see a bit of a leveling off. And I think there's home buyers that are starting to move back into the marketplace.
And real estate expert Murtaza Haider says the headlines may sound doom and gloom when it comes to house prices, but he sees the latest data as a positive signal that will hopefully convince more people to sell.
So I see quite a resilient market, and if I may, that even with a very aggressive interest rate regime, we continue to see the markets and stabilizing, and now we see slight positive trends upward.
Even though sales are still down significantly year over year, Toronto real estate broker Develle Morrison tells me from her experience, the market is changing and people are once again looking to buy.
Over the last few weeks, it's interesting how many bidding wars we've won or lost with clients that we're working with who are looking to buy. I mean, I had some clients last week where there were 19 offers on a townhouse in North York. Then recently there was another thing where my clients were offering on a semi-detached house in Midtown Toronto, and there were 14 offers on that.
The biggest concern right now is low inventory. Lots of homeowners pulled back as prices began to drop, and what happens next will depend on spring listings.
And so whether you're talking about the ownership market or the rental market in the GTA, supply is tight. And so if we don't see more supply coming into the marketplace in the medium to long term, we're going to move back into an environment where we're seeing, extremely strong price growth.
The Bank of Canada will be making another announcement on Wednesday. With inflation calming, though, it's expected interest rates will hold, at least for now. Shauna Hunt, City News.